Hey guys, how you doing? I'm gonna do a interjection here in this video. I don't normally do this, but I wanted to save a lot of time. I'm gonna fast forward from here on out. Lesson learned: when you're cutting the stainless steel braided cable, um, take some crazy glue and just sprinkle it on there. You know, drop a couple drops on there, let it dry, and then cut it because it doesn't fray for some crazy reason. I didn't think it was true, but it doesn't fray. So that'll save you a lot of time. That'll save you a lot of headache. um, Also, also the reason why I started mocking it up, the installation on the passenger side carb as my main, was because I was concerned about that turn of the cable going into the driver's side, where my 912E, that is where my cable goes into, is on the driver's side tunnel. So I was real concerned about making that real sharp turn. But after talking to Jake Raby, he actually showed me a video of his 912E, and he has the same setup, and he has actually a sharper turn than what I'm going to do. So I just wanted to I just wanted to make sure that it was going to work on that sharp turn. So it is. So I switched it over from the driver's side, I switched it over from the passenger side to the driver's side, and um, so that's where I am now. Another another thing that you want to make sure you do is the insert. Let me go get one. Okay, the end of the barrel, the end of the cable, you want to, on the end that you're going to cut, you want to install this piece first into the wheel, and then you're going to let your cable run real long past the wheel. So when you circle it around, you're going to actually feed it through the hole and then tighten it, and then you could take it off and cut it off, or you just let it go a half an inch more, cut it off there. Again, you might want to go ahead and use your crazy glue at the end of your cable. You know, you're out here, crazy glue it, cut it. That way, if you ever, for some reason, you ever have to take it off again, you can take it off and that won't be frayed. So that I'm going to go ahead and fast forward all this crap that I went through. It was a probably about an hours worth of video, and you don't want to be like me and go through that. It it was it was a pain in my butt. Anyways, as you can see, the engine's down there, ready to go in there. I have to reassemble my pedal box, and I've installed all my wiring's finished. I've installed my a sway bar, a rear sway bar in the back, and let's see. I think I'm gonna install that thing this week and fire it up, break it in the car. Everyone says don't do that, don't do that. I don't want to have to do it twice. I mean, blah blah blah. Shut up. Fuck you.